What's up, Peak Timers? Phil here from Peak Time Racing. It's case unboxing time, and today we're unboxing the 2021 Hot Wheels L case. I get all of my Hot Wheels cases from granittoys.com. If you want to subscribe to your own Hot Wheels case sent to you every time a new one's released, make sure you go check out granittoys.com, link in the description box below. The treasure hunt for this case is the Ollie Rocket, and the super treasure hunt for this case is the 1968 Mercury Cougar. Hopefully we find one of those in this case. Let's go ahead and unbox it. And we'll start it off right at the top right here. We'll pull out our first three cars. And the first one that we have is the Kia Stinger GT. We've got a new color release in black. We've got the 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel. There's that green color. And we've got the Water Bomber. Wow, this looks to be a new casting. Check that one out. That is pretty crazy. Very, very cool new casting to the Hot Wheels lineup from the Hot Wheels Rescue series. What else do we have up top right here? We've got Speed Driver. We've got the Formula E Gen 2 car and Gtr, new colorway of that one. And we'll go up right here. We've got a new color for the 1967 Ford GT Mark IV. Very, very cool. You can see we've got a little bit of a bent card on here out of the box, but that happens sometimes. And we've also got a Ford GT40. Then we've got the Volkswagen Beetle. Very, very nice. We'll put those aside. We will go up to our next ones right here. There's a new color of the 2017 Nissan Gtr, the 2018 Bentley Continental GT3 in white, and we've got a Toyota Land Cruiser in a new blue color. That looks really neat, like the pickup Land Rover style. Very, very cool. We'll go ahead and throw those aside. And there is that Mercedes-Benz Unimog. Very cool. We saw that one in our previous case. Two Jet C in a new red color. Looking fresh. I like that. And we've got the Ragin' Express. Looks to be a new colorway of that one as well. And what else do we have right here? We've got the 67 Chevelle SS 396, the Subaru WRX STI, and Loco Motorin. We'll go ahead and put those aside right now. And we've got Aeropod in a new color. We've got the McLaren Speedtail. There's that silver color we saw in the previous case. Love to get extras of those ones. Very, very nice. And we've got the 1971 Plymouth Roadrunner. Look at that one. Fresh new color of the Plymouth Roadrunner. Really, really like that one. And what else do we have right here? We've got Speed Driver. We've got the Muscle and Blown and Batmobile. Look at that. There's that new fresh Batmobile. We saw that one in the previous case. Very cool looking car though. I really like that one. And we'll go ahead and see. Ooh, check that one out. Very, very cool car. We've got the IWC edition, IWC Racing of the Mercedes-Benz 300 SL. Check that out. Very, very cool. We actually did see this one come as a Hot Wheels RWC car with the doors that actually opened up. This one, it doesn't look like the doors open up. It's just a mainline variation, but looks very, very good. Super excited to have that one. We'll go ahead and put that one aside. We've got the 85 Honda CRX. Looks to be a new color of that one. And we've got Car de Asada. Yeah, we saw that one in our previous case, the new color of that. What else do we have right here? Ooh, we've got a new casting, the Porsche Taycan Turbo S. Check that one out. Nice looking candy apple red color. Very, very cool new casting to the lineup. Been excited to get that one and finally got that one. Also similar color, we've got the 85 Chevrolet Camaro IROC Z, and there is the Mod Rod. Very nice. All right, we'll throw those to the side. We've got the Honda Civic Type R. We saw that one in our previous case. There's another one of the two Jet Zs, and it looks to be a brand new color of the 2020 Jeep Gladiator. Check out that. Look, what do we have on the side of it? We got some sort of writing on the side right here. Die cast something. I don't know exactly what it says. It says die cast something right on the side right there, but very, very nice. Nice to get that one in our case. And we'll go ahead and grab our next one right here. What else do we have? We've got the Corvette C8R. There's that new gray color. We've got the HW450F and the 68 Mercury Cougar. This is the mainline edition. This one would be a super treasure hunt if it was, but nope, this one just looks to be the mainline edition, but still cool that we got the mainline one of that one. We'll go to the next half of our case right here. We'll go ahead and pop our first ones out. We've got the Ford GT40, very, very cool. And oh my gosh, this is definitely one that the collectors are gonna get their hands on. It's the LB Silhouette, so Liberty Walk and Silhouette Works GT Nissan Gt-R RR version 2. I mean, the name is just long. You guys can read that whole name. I'm sure I read that wrong, but that looks absolutely incredible. Amazing, amazing looking car. Beautiful. That's going to be a great one to open up. I can't wait to open that one up. We got another one of the 2020 Koenigsegg Jescos. There we go. We saw that one in our previous case. Put those ones aside. We've got the HW Rapid Responder, Hot Wheels Rapid Responder, the 2017 Nissan Gt-R, and we've got a new color of the Indy Oval. Check that one out. Very cool. This is that Hot Wheels Racing Team blue, and it's got like that matte blue finish paint job on there. I like that. All right, what else do we have? This case is great. I'm loving this case so far. We've got the 67 Chevy C10. Look at that, fresh new color of that one. There's another one, the Batmobiles, and there's that custom 1970 Honda N600 that we saw in our previous case. Nice to have another one of those ones though. And we'll grab those ones from the top right here. Loopster, new color of that one. There's another one of the Water Bombers, and Terra, another one of those ones as well. We've got Disney Steamboat. I think that's a new color as well from the Hot Wheels Screen Time. There's Mickey Mouse on there. That is cool. Wow. Definitely something different. We've got the Impavido. I'm not sure if that's a new casting or not. I don't think I've heard of that one before, but nice to have. Dodge Charger Stock Car, Hot Wheels Racing Team as well. We got that. And what else do we have? We've got Rip Rod again, another one of the Dodge Charger stock cars, and a new Dodge Charger Drift colorway. We got the Fire Department edition of the Dodge Charger Drift. Cool, cool. And we've got another McLaren Speedtail. We've got another one of the 85 Chevrolet Camaro IROC Zs. And we've got the Chevy Silverado off-road truck, the new color. All those ones we saw in our previous case. So we've just got ones that are repeating into this case. That's okay, that happens. We've got Raging Express. There's another one of those. The Disney Steamboat again. We got a second one for the case. And a 2017 Camaro ZL1, brand new color of that one as well. Awesome. So many good cars in this case. Loving it. We've got the Volkswagen Beetle, brand new one. Holiday Racers Volkswagen Beetle. Another one of the Koenigsegg Jescos, and another one of those new Gt-R Liberty Walk editions. Wow, that is such an amazing looking casting. Absolutely love that one. We'll put those aside. And we've got 67 Chevelle SS396, the Car de Asada, and the Improvato one again. Another one of those ones. All right, we'll put that aside. We're getting to the bottom here. Ollie Rocket, this is the treasure hunt from the case. So we do have a treasure hunt find. There is our treasure hunt logo just right there on the case itself. Very cool. Another Batmobile and another one of the 67 Ford GT Mark IVs. Very cool to have another one of those. The bottom three cars of this case. We've got Twinnin' and Winnin', and a Locomotorin', and a 67 Chevelle SS396. Guys, in the comment section down below, let me know which was your favorite car of the case. We'll be opening these ones up in another video. Bye-bye.